Bring home salt-free scale prevention with the OneFlow Plus. Easy to install with no mess maintenance, OneFlow Plus combines commercially trusted salt-free scale prevention with a high-capacity drinking water filter for better tasting water, replacing both a space-consuming water softening system and a whole-house water filtration system with a single wall-mountable unit. OneFlow is a scale prevention technology which uses no salt, no electricity, requires no backwashing or regeneration, and wastes no water. The OneFlow Plus is not a water softener. It instead uses a physical water treatment technology known as template-assisted crystallization. When water comes into contact with the OneFlow media, calcium and magnesium minerals in hard water collect and combine, forming microscopic crystals. These inert crystals break away as they grow, remain suspended in the water, and move harmlessly through your plumbing, unable to form hard scale on pipes or appliances due to the physical OneFlow treatment. OneFlow is a tried and tested scale prevention technology, trusted commercially as an effective alternative to softening. In fact, the science behind OneFlow was recently named the top alternative to traditional softening in third-party laboratory tests. OneFlow Plus also features a high-capacity 20-micron carbon block drinking water filter to remove foul tastes, odors, and sediments, delivering the finest tasting water at every tap. Why OneFlow Plus? Save space. The combination unit takes up a fraction of the space of a traditional water softener and whole house filter. No electricity. The OneFlow Plus requires no electricity to operate, so no need to worry about running extension cords to electrical sockets. No scale. Commercially trusted scale prevention ensures pipes and appliances remain free and clear of hard scale buildup. No salt. Replace 3 years of salt with a single OneFlow Plus cartridge. No mess maintenance. Remove the head assembly and drop in your new filters. Because the housing remains mounted, there's no need to worry about juggling waterlogged filter housings. Cost savings. Save up to $300 annually versus the cost to run and maintain a traditional softener. Start enjoying the benefits of OneFlow in your home today.